Yes, children. Now after this, we start unit number 3. Unit number 3 has many chapters. So let's start with the unit number 3. This unit name is Around the World. Here in this unit we will study around the world, means whatever we will study in this unit, that will be related to the world. Okay, so first one is money matters. So money matters, here they have given 10 symbols of various currencies. You know that currency is a money of different countries. As in our country, you know that we use rupees. Rupee is the name of our currency. So in the same way, different countries use different kind of currencies. So its symbols are given here and you have to study their names. So let's see what they written here. Identify the currencies by their symbols. So see children, first symbol is this one, and this symbol denotes euro. Okay, what is this? This is meant for euro. And second is this one, means something like Y, and its name is Japanese yen or renminbi yuan. So any one name you can learn, or generally they call as yen also. Okay, and third symbol is this one, P, and below that P one line is there. So it is meant for ruble, or ruble means here two spellings they use. One is RUBLE and second is ROUBLE. Okay, but pronunciation of both the words is ruble only. After this, fourth one is this one, R and this dollar symbol. So it is meant for real, but its pronunciation is riyals. Okay, and fifth one is this one. This all you know that this is a symbol of Indian currency and it is called INR rupee. And sixth is pound. This one, this symbol, sixth one is meant for pound sterling. Okay, and seventh is this one. So it's meant for Israeli shekel. Okay, it is meant for Israeli currency and its name is also Israeli shekel. After this, eighth one is R, simple R. If it is written here, it means South African rand. Okay, R is meant for rand. It is a currency of South Africa. So ninth one is dollar. You know that it's a symbol of dollar. It is very famous and it is called also dollar. And last one is symbol B. B is written here. So B is baht. Okay, and these are the children 10 various kind of currencies of various countries. And symbols, if symbols have given to you, then you should know that what is the name of currency. And if we write name of currency, then you should know what is its symbol. So both the things you have to learn. Okay, so amazing facts. You know that amazing facts are always important. So what is given here? Let's see. Numismatics. is the study of collection of currency including coins, tokens, paper money and related objects. So in this amazing fact, this word is important which is related to numismatics. So numismatic is a very important branch, or we can say it is a branch of science also, or you should know its name. Maybe some of you also have habit, or that we can say you like to collect coins or different countries paper money, or we can say currency of different countries. So many people are doing this thing. So if we collect all these things, coins, tokens, paper money and other related objects which is related to the currency of any of the country, that studies comes under this numismatics. Okay, so it's a important word for you, so this also you have to learn. Okay children, so these pics also I'll send to you, and you all have to fill in your GK book. But children, remember that always you should use pencil to fill the book. Don't use pen in GK book. Okay, so Jai Gurudev.